Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss an ME Act OP compensation in which the Honorable Justices U. Lalit, Uday Umesh Lalit and D.Y. Chandrachud held that owner means the person who is registered owner as mentioned in the certificate of registration of the vehicle, but not any other person. You may be knowing there will be so many ostensible owners, so they will not be allowed when the incident or when the dispute comes, right? So while disposing the case of Prakash Chand Daga versus Srimati Savita Sharma and others, in civil appeal number 11369 by 2018, on 14/4/2018, the bench declared that declared that the registered owner is only liable to pay compensation in case of accident, even though he sold the vehicle to the other party. Of course, here the point for concern is that the vehicle was not properly insured. Right. Now, let us go into the details of the case. Very small case. So, the appellant, Mr. Prakash Chand Daga, he is from Punjab state and he has sold the vehicle. It is a Santro car, 2009 Santro car to Mrs. Savita Sharma on 11/9/2009. Right. After due consideration, that means after taking the money, so he has given agreement. An agreement was ensured between them. So agreement says that from that day onwards, Savita Sharma will be the deemed owner of the vehicle, and if anything happens, she will be held responsible. And of course, he said he will get it re-registered he will transfer the registration by filing that form 29 and 30 like that. The agreement was drafted, it was kept with both persons. But to his bad luck, on 9/10/2009, almost after 1 month, the vehicle met with an accident wherein one Rakesh Kumar was injured very seriously. Now Rakesh Kumar filed an ME Act OP before the Claims Tribunal under section 166 of the ME Act. Of course, the Honorable Trial ME Claims Tribunal, we can call it as Claims Tribunal in Punjab, they have decided that the owner of the vehicle plus the driver, they have to pay an amount of 12.47 lakhs because the driver was having no valid driving license and the insurance was also partly third party was there. Whatever it is the responsibility of the owner and the driver to pay compensation to this person, 12.47 lakhs. Actually, it was a hefty amount for them. So, aggrieved by the order of the tribunal, the owner means Savita Sharma, present ostensible or deemed owner, and the driver, they went against the orders of the tribunal before the High Court. High Court has appeal, they have perused all the records, and according to section 50 of the ME Act, the registered owner has to transfer the vehicle name, he transfer his name in the person who has, in the name of the person who has recently purchased the vehicle within 30 days. Actually, within 15 days they have returned. 1 month time will be given. Actually, 45 days time will be given if the vehicle is registered to the outside state like that. But anyway, so he has applied for the transfer of the name, right? And they have relied on the definition, simple definition, section 2 clause 30, Who is the owner? Owner means registered owner. That means whose name is registered as the owner in the certificate of registration. According to that, Mr. Prashant Chand Daga is the registered owner. Therefore, the High Court ordered the insurance company, so even though there are certain irregularities, he has ordered the insurance company to pay the amount of 12.47 lakhs and recover from Prashant Singh Daba, because he is the real owner. Since the vehicle was not registered, the vehicle was not transferred to the name of Savita Sharma. This is the problem. Now the matter has come to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has also concurred with the opinion of the High Court, stating that, no doubt, here the contention by Prakash Chand is that he has applied to the registering authority regarding the transfer of his name. Right? Secondly, he has informed the insurance company also within 14 days about the selling of the vehicle. Number 3, he has relied on the agreement bond paper on which Mrs. Savita Sharma stated that she will take care of the vehicle and if any accident case, she will bear the responsibility. But Supreme Court agreed with the findings of the High Court of Punjab and Haryana and held that registered owner means according to section 2 clause 30 MA Act, definitely registered owner. If his name has been changed, if the name was changed to the top Savita Sharma, she would have been held responsible. Till such time, even though you sold the vehicle, till your name is transferred, definitely you are the real owner. You will be held responsible for any accident that takes place. Similarly, as regards insurance also, please remember, whenever you sell your vehicle to another person, so inform the registering authority and pay the new person actually is supposed to pay the rest of the amount, that is no claim bonus and other things, and he has to get it transferred in his name. The policy should be in the name of the person. But here the point is, since the name was not transferred in the name of Savita Sharma, this insurance was also not transferred, therefore they were held liable. So friends, why I am making this video is, normally we are all of us, even myself also, we are in the habit of selling the vehicle, get a bond like in the same manner. From this day onwards, the purchaser will be held responsible like that. We will take it on bond paper, but that is not to any use in such circumstances. Of course, there are cases decided by Supreme Court, such agreement will be valid in some times, but anyway, this is a good judgment where it is clearly held that owner means the owner in whose name the vehicle is registered. If it is Savita Sharma, okay, still such name Prakash Chand Daga will be held responsible. Very good judgment, but at the same time it will be an eye-opener for the people. Please, whenever you sell the vehicle, don't depend on the document. Better you go to the MVA Act, that is a registering authority or MVA or RTO. Get it transferred instantly, because it's all on just online business is going on. 1 week time it's okay. But still, even after 1 month also, he could not get transferred. Therefore, now he has to pay the entire amount of 12.47 lakhs, which is definitely burdensome, cumbersome, and will be heavy on him. So, please avoid this type of things, and please inform your clients also in this regard. Thank you.